Hi, this is Keith Bryant from Global SMT and Packaging here at the THECA show this afternoon, and I'm here with Dr. Nithi from TMEC.
Yeah.
So, first question, sir, explain TMEC to us.
Okay, TMEC stands for the Thai Microelectronics Center. We are the government organization under the National Science and Technology Development Agency, or shortly called it NSTDA. TMEC is the first and only one wafer fab in Thailand. So we do the R&D on the semiconductor device, and we support the fabless companies to develop the process for them and deliver the first prototype for them.
So how long have you been in operation?
TMEC operate until now almost 25 years, and I joined TMEC almost 20 years.
Wow. So you have a lot of good history and experience here.
Yes.
And I guess you're getting more and more interest, and things are growing as business in Thailand for electronics gets more and more exciting.
Yes.
For me, it's very interesting because I know you have PCB here, you have PCBA, but I did not know so much about the semiconductor industry.
Okay. Actually, in Thailand, we are quite strong in the PCB, PCBA, and hard disk drive industry. That means it's almost a back-end semiconductor process.
Yeah.
So
you guys are the first. Do you know of any global companies who plan to build semiconductor manufacturing here?
Yes, I think that is in the plan of the government. The Thai government would like to invite the big and the global companies to establish their wafer fab in Thailand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you will be able to help these guys also because you have the experience and you have lots of knowledge of prototype and development.
Yes, especially we do a training of the people in Thailand for the new wafer fab in the future.
That's good because I hear a lot from people I've talked to today about, there's a strong emphasis on training people and getting the skills that are needed for the companies. Yeah, it's very good to see because companies who want to move in here want to know that there are people that they can employ.
Yes, that's right.
So it's good that the government and yourselves are thinking about this already.
Yes.
Yeah. And can I ask, do you do work for companies outside Thailand, or is it really just Thai companies that you support?
For working, I work with just TMEC, but I had an experience abroad. For example, I graduated from Japan.
Oh.
Yeah, and I did many research in many countries.
Yeah. So you're the ideal person to be taking care of this then?
Yes, we have a strong team at TMEC.
Yeah, it seems. What size of wafer do you build?
Okay, we use a 6-inch wafer.
Oh.
And we are studying. We have a plan to convert the fab from 6-inch to 8-inch.
Oh.
Yeah.
You say prototype, so you would make maybe 1, 2, 3 wafers, or?
Yeah, mostly our customer is a fabless company.
Yes.
Yeah, they come with the design. We help them to develop the process and deliver the wafers. So typically we start from one small lot. That means 25 wafers.
Yeah. Oh, so even 25 wafer is quite big for 25 6-inch wafers. A lot of chips.
That's right.
Yeah.
They have enough chips for testing, evaluate the design, and show to their investor.
Well, I think you are going to help grow the semiconductor business in Thailand in the coming years.
Yeah.
And, it's very interesting to hear this. So thank you very much for sharing with us today. That's Keith Bryant for Global SMT and Packaging, signing out.